They all snap off the same way, but not all blades are created equal. From ultra precise to heavy duty, let's break down the different sizes and types of snap off blades and why it matters. Welcome to Segmented, where we explore everything snap off knife related: blades, tools, techniques, and more. 9mm blades are ideal for craft, art, and fine detail work. They are available in 59 degrees and also a precision tip of 30 degrees. These blades fit most slim plastic and metal utility knife handle. To keep blades sharp for fine detail cut, segment breakage is more frequent. Caution needed during use. Less common, but worth mentioning, is the 12mm blade. This is an anti-cutter who uses a 12.3mm blade, while Olfa has a 12.5mm version which I currently don't own. It is slightly thicker and more robust than the 9mm, but still compact, and it's great for users who want more control without the bulk of the 18mm. The 12mm blade requires a dedicated handle. This size flies under the radar, but for most, it's the perfect balance. The 18mm blade is the most popular and versatile blade size. It is used in construction, packaging, and general craft, and it's compatible with many blade styles. These extra wide blades are used for heavy materials: insulation, thick rubber, foam, and carpeting. There are very few handle options, typically professional grade knives. It is slower to cut with, but ideal when strength and durability are more important than finesse. This is a standard 59 degrees tip, best for strength and durability. In comparison, this is a 30-degree precision tip, found mostly on 9mm handles. It is ideal for artist, designer, or model making. The handle doesn't just hold the blade, it controls it, and the locking mechanism can make a huge difference in how a knife feels and performs. This is a ratchet lock. The blades slide out and stay put where you leave it, held by a tooth ratchet system. It is great for making repeated cuts at custom blade length, usually found on heavy duty or larger handles. In comparison, we have an auto lock. Uses a spring-loaded catch to lock the blade instantly at set point. Faster and more convenient, but fixed positions only. Very common in smaller and lightweight knives, but not always. In some knives, you have even a combination of both systems for flexibility. For example, the wheel here, where I can lock the blade fast in place. The key is picking the lock style that matches how you cut. There are different blade material and coating. Carbon steel is sharp and affordable, but also rusts easily. This is why usually you'll find it covered with oil in the packaging. Stainless steel resists rust, less brittle, and is great for window tint applications, for example. Black coated has sharp edge, low friction, but it wears fast. Great for cutting of sticky materials. There's also titanium or Teflon coated, which currently I don't own. There are smooth cuts, longer lasting, but also premium price for that. Some brands have longer or shorter segments. Blade thickness may vary slightly. Thinner blades are sharper, yet more brittle. Thickness can also affect compatibility. Iron hand blades snap cleaner and wear evenly. Choose based on what you cut and how much control you need. For precision, consider the 9 or 12mm. For everyday use, the 18, and for tough jobs, the 25mm. Also consider the blade angle and coating for specific tasks. Most people don't even realize how many options exist for something as simple as a utility blade, but picking the right one makes your work easier, safer, and cleaner. Subscribe for more snap-off knife breakdowns and tests.